FEIN Power Tools. Schwäbisch Gmünd, Germany. Here, all our operations are combined at a single location. The experience and expertise that comes from the company's 145-year history, as well as the hundreds of patents, are concentrated here. We build the perfect power tool. Development never stands still. That's why our engineers set themselves the challenge of making a product that already sets the standard even better. FEIN angle grinders are at the top of their class and have proved their capabilities under the toughest conditions all over the world. But even that isn't good enough for us. Here in the product development team, we wanted to develop a robust compact angle grinder that was also close to user. The most important criteria were that it had to be powerful, have a long runtime, and also be very durable. From design we go straight to production. The motor production area is right next door. Bringing together all our functions under one roof makes us efficient by allowing us to react quickly and make rapid decisions. You can only keep on innovating when you diligently turn ideas into reality. Highly trained people, the best materials and precision workmanship. These are the ingredients that make our angle grinders into robust products that last for many years. Our state-of-the-art production facilities ensure consistently high precision in manufacturing. Our fleet of machinery is unique, but at the end of the day, it all comes down to the human element. A trained eye monitors every stage of the process. Zero tolerance, quality, not quantity. Like all our products, we know our angle grinders down to the smallest detail. We turn, cut, grind, and wind the coils ourselves. And throughout the entire process, we check that our high standards are met. For us, good is normal. Our passion for detail, our German commitment to quality, our creativity, and our ability to think outside the box influence every stage of the motor production process. From the first installation to the final wiring. This attention to detail is what makes us stand out and makes FEIN angle grinders so durable. Only a tool that satisfies these stringent standards has earned the right to carry the FEIN name. Now it's time for assembly. A multitude of high-quality components goes into the perfect tool. Here too, FEIN has its own special way of doing things. The thing that makes us different at FEIN is that each tool is fully assembled by one person, so there's a strong association between employee and product. This allows us to achieve a very high level of quality, because employees feel responsible for the quality of their product. Responsible for the quality of the product, and therefore the satisfaction and even the safety of our customers. It's traditional values like precision, reliability, and a spirit of invention that have built our global reputation for products that offer outstanding quality, a long lifetime, and maximum practical utility. Green light for German-made quality. We invite you to measure us by these standards, the standards our dedicated workforce strives to achieve every day. No angle grinder leaves our factory without going through stringent final testing. Extensive tests safeguard the quality of the product range, with each tool going through the first few minutes of its life in the running-in chamber. Minutes that are followed by years, in day-to-day use in industry and manual trades, in the metal, interior and automotive sectors, all over the globe. Job done. The perfect tool. Made in Germany. The new compact angle grinder from FEIN.